New day, new adventure.
Okay, I'm gonna try to find this waterfall that someone took me to like years ago.
We don't know where it is actually.
Not sure where it is, but let's see if we could find it. Gonna start climbing over mountains and see.
Get a bird's eye view.
Yeah, see if I can see something from the top.
We're personable.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, I see a sign or something. Oh, I remember that. That cross from that person. Oh, yep. There's the trail.
Oh, heck yeah.
Oh, heck yeah. Well, I mean, yeah, okay, so this is clearly a dangerous waterfall. Oh, who's here? Yeah, this is clearly a dangerous spot. Oh.
There's people who died here.
Okay, next mountain to climb. Look at these. Whoa, it's like a ladybug something hybrid. Look at that bug. I hear it. I hear the waterfall. And the sound of
Oh! We have to get down there somehow, so we're trying to look which way to go.
straight down we go. We made it down. Pretty low so far. Looks like there's a trail. We just came down that mountain and like 10 behind that. Wood, do you see that? Look at all the firewood. We made it to the water. Almost. Whoa. A cute little creek.
That looks treacherous to go around.
Yeah, we have to go up and back down. Okay, there's the beginning of the waterfall. Or the top of it. I can't move! I mean, look at that wall. Almost there. Yep. It's making me nauseous how high up we are. Ugh.
Yep. Whew, we're heck high.
That is scary. So that's where we came from, that mountain. That's where we gotta get to. Okay, we made it back to the bottom of this rock. Look at that, that's a huge bone. It's the size of my lunch pail.
Free bone.
Here we go.
Gotta go all the way back up.
We are beginning our ascent. We made it. We're alive.
Barely.
I'm so red.